We're at the Camarillo Nike outlet where they have a crazy freaking line. Black Friday line right here. They definitely have the longest line out of everybody. Here we go. Don't think I waited more than 5 minutes. Line? It's crazy. It's long, but not crazy. Seems like we got 40% off clearance apparel, and then 40% off the back wall. Did just grab 2 pair of Black Cat 4s, so not really balling like that today. Also, plan to buy my kid a car in the next month or two, so yeah, not really balling like that. Not too many sneakers to be bought, to be honest. Sneaker budget definitely low. 160. What the hell? What the hell? That's not Spizike, I guess. I thought they would at least have the right price for that. Jordan 2-3, 75. Infinity Run 4s with the busted up box, $65. That's actually a hell of a price. $65, especially with that 40 off. That's under $40. React X, really not that bad. Air Max DNs, $70. You get 40% off. That's actually a hell of a price. So these Black Friday deals, maybe they're worth it. Maybe they're worth it. Some of the cheapest prices I've seen. Got the Ross specials down here, $70, 40 off. Just saw a worker bring a bunch of these, $80 for the next gens, and 10 for the black and whites. Ton of these cleats right here. Looks like a lot of stuff just got moved to the back aisles. $100 for those. Feel like we've seen these here forever. $90. Size 10, seeing a lot of the same stuff over and over. The Metcons go for 70. Luka 3s, 65. I'm not touching that because it's gonna fall off. All right, we're making it to the clearance apparel where we get 40 off. See if I see anything different. 55 for this. It is super lightweight, but 55 you do get that extra 40 off. Goes under $30. Got Tech fleece right here. Remember when we saw these for crazy discounts? That's why you got to jump on deals. They're $135 here, and you did get that 40 off, but off of retail, $100 for those, $75 for these. This is a Kawhi Leonard jersey right here. Clippers are struggling, dude. Clippers are struggling. Retail minus 40. I should have bet on that Lakers Clippers game. The spread was on like 6.5, but I didn't do so. Extra small Celtics. But yeah, it is going for retail. Sherpa ACG hoodie right here. Going for 180, damn. I grabbed those Mamba pants. Is that a week or two ago? Got them for so freaking cheap. I don't see any anymore, so they do look like they're gone. These black cement shorts. Oh, it's for his racing team. So his racing team, they are swimming trunks, XL and large, $30, 40 off. I go down to what, $12 or something? You got sweats right here, kind of whatever color, 35. Mamba pants, I'm wondering if I should have gotten a small. I don't think they had a small though, did they?
Nigga, what?
I don't know. But yeah, 185 for these. Kind of the same stuff, same deals we saw before. A lot of red tags and stuff, but just 25% off. And they do got these hoodies. The black ones are gone. Black ones are gone. Do get an extra 25 off. I don't think we got 25 off last week. That's probably why the black ones are gone. It says 60, 25 off. That's $45. They got red ones as well. All right, we're going back to the back wall. Gonna check the bigger sizes. Size 11 do got LeBrons right here. $80, 40 off. That's what, $48, I believe. And then do got the 75. Luka 2s, so many Luka 2s, Luka 3s, 65, Luka 3s, $100. For these DNs, man, that's the cheapest we've seen the DNs. Jordan 1 lows, we've been seeing these a ton. And this is a women's. Yeah, it's a women's, $80. RMs, 70. That's actually a really good price. Jordan 2 3s right here, 75. These are 11.5. Should I get this for? I already got one of my workers. He's a Celtics fan. I already got him a pair, but I think I only spent like $30 on his shoes. $30. I might grab these as well. He has a size 11. I grabbed an 11.5 because that's the only size they had in the, I think, the flight courts. So I think I might grab these as well for him. All right, I went to go get a bag and I don't see any bags anywhere. Dang nabbit. All right, I just grabbed one of the workers. I was like, hey, let me grab that bag, dog. Got some Air Max Drift right here, 110. The denim ones right here, some denims. Around 21, $60. $60. This is a size 8.5, but $60 you get another 40% off on top. Holy crap! So they do have some deals. Juniper Trails, $60. Pegasus Waves, cheaper than Ross and Burlington right now, $60. Especially with all them extra discounts, $100 for these, $60 for mids. Zoom Freak 7s? Have I even seen these? I don't know. I don't remember seeing these, but do got the Zoom Freak 7s, size 14s, 115. You get 40 off. Pretty freaking dope. I feel like these just released, no? Probably a return. Does it fit? Does it fit? Oh, there we go. Air Max 90s, regular price. What the hell? Is this a size 13? Should be a size 13. Yeah, 130 for the RMs. 14s right here. God damn. 14s right here, $70. Benassi slides going for $20. Someone just asked one of the workers if they have Kobe's here. That's hilarious. We got a lot of people shopping for their kids and they don't really know anything about sneakers. So, you know, can't blame them. $50 for the Air Max 1s. I got some Dunks right here. These are definitely not huge sizes. It says size 14, but definitely not. Then you got Jordan 1 mids right here. Mid, the TDs, so I guess they're for football cleats, 150. Can really see the crowds when you come to the apparel section. Elite backpacks, 30% off, $60. We buy at these stations too. I think we might be able to pay for stuff at these stations right here. We'll find out. Might be a shortcut. Got this right here. Is this stuff making it to the rack? I see. I see Tech Fleece, but it's 115. Maybe it'll get marked down. I don't know. But see a lot of 25% off signs, especially for like the winter apparel. But the winter apparel prices, like not the super cheapest, $60 or $45. But apparel wise, I don't see the craziest stuff. You got these. What is this? It's like an extra huge fanny pack. I think it's like an over the shoulder thing right here, $30. Got them in black as well. All right, I don't think I'm done with the back wall yet, so let's go check the smallest sizes. Size 9. Do some Jordan ADG Golf right here, $55. Seems like a good price. Blazer low acronyms, they can't get rid of these, $40. These some Forces right here. Some Forces, 9.5, 150. Of course, nothing's where it's supposed to be, just way too freaking crowded here. You get one of these, but I guess if you go to this one, you get both of them. 210. These just come in a small, medium, large. All right, I guess someone dropped it. I guess I'll help them out. Oh, this box is all jacked up. That's fine. Oh, great. That's what I get for touching it. Oh, wait. Stay full, stay. Another one of these Juniper Trails go for 60. They got 9.5, 9, 8. Ton of these. These are for hiking, especially for that price. Freaking, what's that, $36? Zoom Fly 4s. I think I saw someone, yeah, I did see someone grab these off a size 11 or something like that. But yeah, I think this is before they added Zoom X. I think the Zoom Fly 5s have Zoom X on it. $80 for those. Like I said, a lot of the Metcons, a lot of those things, just a lot of repeats. Seen these in the bigger sizes too. All right, let's see what's going on in the aisles and the men's. Hopefully it's better than just Air Forces. I'm gonna skip all the Team J's. Got one. I was like, these ain't lows. That threw me off. I was like, what the hell? A couple of mids. These bread mids right here. These gold ones that have been here forever. The pair of mids right there. I still got the pure money 3s right here. These still looking kind of dope. I was hoping they'd make the back wall by now, but nah, not really. They have up to size, what, size 11? Some lows. University red. Red, white right here. And you got some more 2-3s, RMs, and all kinds of non-signature J's that I did skip over. Too many people. Nike basketball section over here. Plenty of the budget signatures right here. Got some GI2s. Another one right here. Third pair. Then more budget signatures over here. And we've been seeing a ton of LeBron Next Gens. Air Max T-Dubs. These are an SE. Air Max section right here. Plenty of Air Max 2017s as well as the 270s. All down to $100. That's the cheapest I've seen 270s. Last of the 2017s. Air Max 90. This is like what, safety orange or something. Got gray. Got white. Air Max DNs right here. That shoe section with the Monarchs over here. Running shoe section, nothing premium, nothing too premium. You got crazy crowds. All right, we're checking out the women's clearance section over here. Of course, I have to come check out the bigger sizes, see if they have anything good. Of course, I'm looking for like some running shoes, Vomeros and stuff like that, but no luck. $60 though. That's $36 for Jordan 1 lows right here. These are SE. That is insane low. We saw this in the men's section earlier. That's 90. Jordan 4 RMs. If you don't mind this color, $55. $55. Get that extra discount. It's like $30, dude. 90 for these. Season trainers. What the hell are these? I don't know. Some budget shoes. $35. I guess this 55. These just free right here because these have been here forever. You can see all the dust on it. It's been here that long. 45. But unfortunately, no running shoes, no Vomeros, no Vomero Pluses. Regular women's sizes, Metcons go for 95. Sabrina's right here, regular price. Infinity Run Reacts right here, $65. That's a solid price. More Metcons. Oh, these are the ones I saw earlier. More Sabrina's, $90 for these. Oh, these are the Sabrina 2s, Team Bank colorway, $90. They're trying to replenish, but just too much stuff getting sold so quick. You got Jordan 1 lows right here. Box even has like some texture to it. That's kind of interesting. $90. I got some Dunks right here, smaller sizes, $65. All right, I'm gonna move on to the aisles and get in line because that line's gonna take 20 minutes. Looks like we have a Jordan now right here in the women's. I see all kinds of mids. Got a few more. Including these red SEs that we saw the low of. Denim ones right there. Then the Jordan 1 lows right here. And then entire aisle of Dunks. Those were a Next Nature. This is a regular one. Elemental pink, black and white. Iron sight, anthracite with some nylon. Got some suede ones right here with some super mediocre buck leather. And then tons and tons and tons of generic stuff. Air Max 270s. And more generics. Aisles and aisles of generics. I'm not talking about the women, I'm talking about the shoes. But yeah, do got Jordan 6s. The grade school section, Jordan 4s right here. Grade school 6s, 9s, mellow 12s. Got a plethora of lows and mids. Prices are a little bit high. But yeah, once they go to the back wall, you'll definitely see a lot more discounts. Got some highs in the Chicago 1s. And a couple of lows and mids right there. Nothing too crazy. Then checking out the grade school section, we saw these for hella cheap. Oh, actually not this cheap though. Not this cheap. Actually, I don't think this colorway. Chic has had a bunch of these on sale, but yeah, that's hella cheap. $65. Actually, with 40% off on top. The Vomeros right here, $80. That's cheaper than Champs. Because I think Champs had those for $40. $40 for little posits. That's definitely the cheapest, especially since another 40 off on top. So that's $24. 24 effing dollars. Seems like grade school got the biggest deals. 55, 80 for the. What the hell? Why is that one so much? 35 for the RMs. Ones right here, $65. Shocks, $55. I was like, these ain't no kid sizes. $100. Oh, it's all good. We're good. 6 rings right here, $95. See some Jordan 1 low OGs. Oh, dang it. These are $85. Got Dunks down here. We've seen these at Ross, $65. Nike Burrow mid, $70. Oh, and you can even find some of these in the back wall. Hell yeah. The kids section got the best prices out of everybody. $65. Holy crap. But in the men's section, did grab these $45. What do you guys think? Especially for a Celtics fan as a present. Jordan 2-3s. He's not a sneakerhead. He's not really a sneakerhead or anything, so I think these will be perfect for him. Damn, I was gonna say, I'm curious about that line though. Line's getting longer and longer. Looks like this is the end of the line. Holy cow. Crazy how everybody comes out soon as it turns Black Friday. Parking lot totally full. The street's totally full. And they even have a backup parking lot over there. I've never seen that parking lot. That's crazy. Everybody parking on the grass and stuff. Guess I got a good deal though? I don't know. This was probably 65 before too, right? How the fuck I know? I don't know. But yeah, came out to under $50 after tax and everything. So it was like 45 bucks. Not bad. Not bad.